Exploring tomorrow, incorporating future implications in your speech topic. Hello, English learners. Today we're taking our public speaking and presentation skills a step further. We're going to discuss an incredibly engaging aspect of choosing a topic: connecting your topic to current events and trends. Specifically, we will focus on discussing the future implications of your topic. Understanding how your topic could impact the future can make your speech more relevant and engaging to your audience. The future implications of a topic refer to the potential impacts or consequences that could occur down the line based on current trends and understanding. For example, if you're speaking about climate change, future implications might include rising sea levels, increased global temperatures, or a shift in ecosystems. Understanding these implications will help you craft a speech that is not only interesting but also informative and thought-provoking. To identify future implications, you need to analyze your topic in depth. Look at the current state of affairs and think about how things might evolve. You can ask yourself questions like, how might this situation change in the future? What impacts could these changes have on people, societies, or the planet? How could different trends influence these outcomes? Researching your topic and keeping up to date with the latest news and trends can greatly help in this process. One of the best ways to make your topic relevant and engaging is to connect it to current events or trends. For instance, if your topic is about privacy in the digital age, you can connect it to recent news about data breaches or controversial surveillance methods. This can make your presentation more relatable and interesting to your audience. When you've identified the future implications of your topic, it's time to discuss them in your speech. Explain the current situation and how you think it might evolve, making sure to provide a clear and logical progression of your thoughts. Don't forget to connect these predictions to current events or trends to make your speech more relatable and engaging. Remember, the key to a powerful and compelling presentation is relevance. By understanding and discussing the future implications of your topic, you can create a speech that will captivate your audience, make them think, and potentially inspire them to take action. So, in your next speech, don't be afraid to explore tomorrow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you craft more engaging and forward-thinking presentations. Happy learning, and see you next time.